let's go ahead and get started. First, we have Megan Priest, who was wearing a dress that was designed and constructed by Shea Ripley. This dress was inspired by the mode Gakuen spiral towers in Japan and was made out of printed laminated paper and buttons. Notice how the sheen of the paper mimics reflective windows. Thank you, Megan. Next, we have Shayla Parker, who is wearing an elegant skirt and bandeau that was designed and constructed by Taylor Reed. This outfit was inspired by the interior details of a contemporary living room and was made out of cardstock, gift wrap, and bottle caps. Notice all of the handmade flowers and fleece. Thank you, Shayla. Next, we have Tyler Covington, who is wearing a vest, shorts, and tank top designed by Michael Mitch. This outfit was inspired by Gazgan Design Buildings and was made from hand tab to wax paper and construction paper. Notice all the geometric shapes on the vest and shorts. Thank you, Tyler. Next, we have Kay Shed, who is wearing a blue and gold dress that was designed and constructed by Lori Witkowski. This dress was inspired by a temple in India and was made from poster board, watercolor paper, and straws. Notice the gold and blue pattern along with the blue ruffles. Thank you, Kay. Next, we have Kylie Personal, who is wearing a toga-like top and armored skirt that was designed and constructed by Tyler Bowden. This ensemble was inspired by the Curities on the Acropolis and was made from priority mail envelopes, tar paper, and coffee filters. Notice the layering and movement in the skirt. Thank you, Kylie. Next, we have Amanda Gamboa, who is wearing a dress that was designed and constructed by John Long. This dress was inspired by Chinese shrine temples and was made out of plastic utensils and painted paper. Notice the bold graphic pattern. Thank you, Amanda. Next, we have Brian Davidson, who is wearing a warrior's uniform that was designed and constructed by Alex Flores. This uniform was inspired by drawings of Eastern temples and was made out of newspaper, cotton balls, mat board, and a plastic bottle. Thank you, Brian. Next, we have Dean Zhou, who is wearing a suit that was designed and constructed by He Sun. This suit was inspired by and is made out of plain cards, tissue paper, and bubble wrap. Notice all of the hand-painted details. Next, we have Nicole Acosta, who is wearing a skirt and top that was designed and constructed by Brandon Coon. This outfit was inspired by Dubai Towers and urban grunge and was made out of paper and silk flower petals. Notice the overlapping shapes and graffiti that climbs up the bodice. Thank you, Nicole. Next, we have Mindy Ju, who is wearing a dress that was designed and constructed by Yumi Lee. The dress was inspired by the Guggenheim Museum and was made out of paper, vinyl gloves, and rain guards. Notice the silhouettes of buildings on the top of the dress. Thank you, Mindy. Next, we have Emma Mills, who is wearing a dress that was designed and constructed by Haley Green. This dress was inspired by the first tower at sunset and is made from poster board, sketchbook paper, and coat hangers. Notice the intricate bridge structure on the heel. Thank you, Emma. Next, we have Patricia Dillon, who is wearing a dress that was designed and constructed by Christina Dillon. This outfit was inspired by stone chimneys and was made out of matches, wrapping paper, and computer paper. Notice the organic layout of the rocks. Thank you, Patricia. And last but not least, we have Chrissy Lewis, who is wearing a skirt and top that was designed and constructed by Yvetta Holland. This outfit was inspired by the Fountain Place skyscraper in Dallas and was made They worked so hard for this month. We're so great to see their design start to still grow. Thanks for coming out. We're gonna have pizza out in there, and then we're also going to hand out prizes. So meet us back in the sculpture lab, going that way. Also, I forgot to introduce Jonathan Flores. He's our DJ.